this YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss theory artificial intelligence, multiple choice questions and answers. These questions are important to understand the concepts about artificial intelligence and related terms. The first question says, supervised learning requires A, labeled data, B, unlabeled data, C, no data, D, random data. Always supervised learning requires labeled data or grouped. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an AI application? Speech recognition, machine translation, email spam filtering, disk defragmentation. Disk defragmentation is not the application of artificial intelligence. The remaining others are the application of artificial intelligence. 3. Machine learning allows computers to store large data, learn from experience, increase processing power, work without algorithms. Machine learning allows computers the ability to learn from the experience. 4. Which algorithm used for classification? K-means, decision tree, PageRank, Dijkstra's algorithm. From the list of the multiple, the algorithm that used for classification is decision tree. 5. Which AI technique mimic the human brain's regression, neural network, sorting, compilers? The AI technique that used to mimic or learn the human brains, the computer like human brain is neural network, which is artificial neural network. 6. Which of the following is unsupervised learning algorithm? Naive Bayes, logistic regression, decision tree, K-means clustering. Supervised learning algorithm, which is K-means clustering. The others are supervised learning algorithm. 7. Reinforcement learning is based on rewards and punishment, labeled data, without data, direct instructions. Reinforcement learning is based on rewards and punishments. 8. Which is used to reduce overfitting? Regularization technique, compilation technique, tokenization technique, indexing technique. The technique that used to reduce overfitting from the list of the choice is regularization is one of the techniques that used to reduce overfitting. 9. General AI aims to perform one task only, match human intelligence, C. Increase CPU speed, D. Use less memory. The general AI aims to match human intelligence. 10. Neural network learn by adjusting its buttons, cables, weights, storages. The neural network learn by adjusting the weights. 11. The ability of AI model to perform well on the new data is called overfitting, underfitting, generalization, compression. C. Generalization is the correct answer. 12. Robotics involves hardware plus AI, software only, networking, graphics. And robotics involves hardware as well as artificial intelligence. 13. Computer vision allows machine to small objects, hear sounds, interrupt images, store large data. Computer vision allows the machine to interpret images. Computer vision about image. 14. Self-driving car uses A. Sorting algorithms, B. Sensors plus AI models, USB ports, compilers. Self-driving car uses sensors as well as artificial intelligence models. There are different models and different sensors. Question number 15. Overfitting occurs when the model learns too much from training data, learns too little, cannot run, has no features. Overfitting occurs when the model learns too much from training data. Question number 16. In artificial intelligence, an agent is A. Hardware switch, B. An entity that perceives and acts, C. A virus program, D. Compiler. An agent is in AI, which is hardware switches. An agent is, it's not a hardware switch, it's not a virus program, it's not also a compiler, but it is an entity that perceives and acts. Question number 17. The smallest unit of a neural network is A. Processor, B. Neurons, C. Tables, D. Sensors. The smallest unit of neural network is, which is as a natural neural network, which is the neurons. Question number 18. A common example of supervised learning: spam email detection, customer grouping, topic modeling, clustering. Spam, customer grouping, spam email detection, which is an example of supervised learning. So the correct answer is A. Question number 19. In heuristic, a function is used in programming, search algorithm, networking, storage management. Heuristic function is search algorithms. Question number 20. Confusion matrix is used to measure execution time, classification accuracy, CPU usage, database size. The correct answer is B. Classification accuracy. The confusion matrix that used to measure the accuracy of the classification models. Thank you. This is all about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, share to your friends. That is important for them, this video. And don't forget to write in the comment section how many you got out of 20. Bye bye.